Good day mga kabilang! So ngayon, ang pag-uusapan natin ay subtraction of polynomials. Bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating lesson today, let's have first a drill. So ang gagawin natin, we're going to find the difference of the given. Okay? So let's have number 1. In number 1, we have 10 minus 8. So what is 10 minus 8? We have 2. That's correct. Next, how about 10 minus negative 8? So kung natatandaan nyo, kapag tayo ay nagsosubtract ng integers, may ginagamit tayo KCC method na kung saan K, it stands for keep, C stands for change, and then change. So when we say K, ibig sabihin we're going to keep the minuend. Okay? Next, we have C. It means we're going to change the operation into addition. And then another C, we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend. So, in short, kung positive siya, magiging negative. Kung negative naman siya, magiging positive. So, if we have 10 minus negative 8, yan. So, if we have 10 minus negative 8, using KCC method, keep 10, change the operation into addition, and then you're going to change the sign of the subtrahend. Since this is negative 8, magiging positive 8 siya. Therefore, 10 plus 8, we have 18. So, which means 10 minus negative 8, the answer is positive 18. Let's have number 3. So, this time, we have negative 10 minus 8. Again, using KCC method, you're going to keep the minuend. So, we have negative 10 is our minuend, and then positive 8 is our subtrahend. So, we have here negative 10. So, keep lang. Just bring down. Yan. Just bring down. Negative 10. And then, we're going to change subtraction into addition. So, since this is positive 8, magiging negative 8. Very good. So, proceed na tayo sa addition. What is negative 10 plus negative 8? The answer is negative 8. Therefore, negative 10 minus 8, we have negative 18. Let's continue. Let's have number 4. So, in number 4, we have negative 10 minus negative 8. So, again, keep the minuend. So, just bring down. Change the operation into addition. Since negative 8 ang ating subtrahend in given 4, papalitan natin ang sign. So, negative magiging positive. So, what is negative 10 plus 8? Negative 2. That's correct. Therefore, negative 10 minus negative 8, we have negative 2. Next, we have negative 10 minus negative 10. So, again, keep the minuend. So, just bring down. We have negative 10. Ito, magiging, C minus magiging addition. Negative 10, mapapalitan ng sign, we have positive 10. So, negative 10 plus positive 10, we have 0. Therefore, negative 10 minus negative 10, the answer is 0. Okay, so now let's have our lesson for today. Example na tayo. Yan. So now, let's have subtraction of polynomials. So lagi niyong tatandaan, when we are subtracting polynomials, same way lang siya when we are subtracting integers. So we have ACC. So which means we're going to keep the minuend. Next, change the operation into addition. And then, change the sign of the subtrahend. So let's have example. Yeah. So we have 5x plus 4 minus 7x plus 3. So in this given, this is our minuend. Okay? And this is our subtrahend. So ang gagawin lang natin, we're going to keep the minuend. So which means just copy the minuend. So we have 5x plus 4. Next, we're going to change, yan. So we're going to change subtraction into addition. So ibig sabihin, etong si minus magiging addition. So we have plus. So next, we have the subtrahend. So KCC na tayo. C stands for change. So we're going to change the sign. So please take note, when we are subtracting polynomials, we're going to change the sign for each term. So ibig sabihin, sa kada term, papalitan natin yung sign. So in this given, we have 7x plus 3. So we have 7x. Since si 7x ay positive, therefore magiging negative siya. Kasi change the sign. So we have negative 7x. And then, we have plus again. Si 3, positive siya, magiging negative. Kasi we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend. Let's continue. So, proceed na tayo dun sa previous lesson nating addition of polynomials. So, we're going to combine similar terms. So, let's have 5x. Ano ang kasimilar ni 5x dito sa ating solution? Ang kasimilar term niya ay si negative 7x. So, which means, pwede natin pagsamahin yan. Please take note, napalitan na natin yung operation na addition. Okay? So, we have now 5x plus 7x. So, again, combine nyo lang yung numerical coefficient. Okay? So, magiging parang 5 plus negative 7 yan. Okay? So, what is 5 plus negative 7? We have negative 2. And then, just copy the variable. Next, sa constant term na tayo, 4 and negative 3. 4 plus negative 3, we have positive 1. So, we have negative 2x plus 1 is the answer. Let's have now example number 2. 9x plus 3 minus negative 4x plus 5. Again, this is our minuend and this is our subtrahend. Keep, change, change. Okay? So, first step, keep the minuend. So, just bring down the minuend or just copy. So, we have now 9x plus 3. Renaming down natin dahil siya ang minuend. Okay? Next, we're going to change the operation into addition. So, subtraction magiging plus. Next, we're going to change the sign of the subtrahend for each terms. Okay? So, since negative 4x to, since negative 4x yan, pag negative magiging positive, pag positive magiging negative. Since negative 4x to magiging positive. So, we have now plus positive 4x. Plus, dito na tayo kay 5. Since positive 5 to, magiging negative. Okay? Again, when it comes to subtrahend, i-change nyo yung sign sa kada term. Okay? And now, let's proceed to the rule of addition. Add na tayo. Combine similar term. So, ano ang ka-similar term ni 9x? Hanapin nyo lang yung may x dyan. So, we have 4x. So, 9x plus 4x, we have 13 and then x. 13x. Next, we have 3 and negative 5. What is 3 plus negative 5? We have negative 2. Therefore, the difference is 13x minus 2. Let's have now example number 3. 6x squared minus 4x plus 8 minus 3x squared minus x minus 5. So let's answer. Again, this is our minuend and this is our subtrahend. So keep the minuend, change subtraction into addition, and then change the sign of the subtrahend. Again, keep the minuend, change subtraction into addition, change the sign of the subtrahend. So let's answer. Let's continue. So keep the minuend. So just bring down our copy. So we have now 6x squared minus 4x plus 8. Next, we're going to change the subtraction into addition. Okay? Change subtraction into addition. So we will have plus. And then change the sign of the subtrahend. So papalitan natin sa kada term niya. So we have 3x squared. Since positive siya, magiging negative. Okay, let's continue. So we have now plus. So please take note, lagi niyong tatandaan kapag ang subtrahend, for example, ito. Nakita niyo, di ba, minus siya? Nakalagay dyan. Consider niyo siya as negative. Okay? So kapag ang operation nakatabi ay minus, consider siya as negative. So let's continue. So plus, so we have negative x. Consider siya as negative, ha? So magiging positive x. Very good. Next, katabi niya ay subtraction ulit. Again, just write plus here. Katabi niya ay subtraction. Consider siya as negative. So we have now negative 5. So we have positive 5. And then, combine similar term na tayo. So we have 6x squared plus, kasimilar term niya, negative 3x squared. So we have 3x squared. Next, negative 4x plus x, we have, diba, may invisible 1 dyan. So, 1 ang numerical coefficient yan. Hindi na lang natin sinusulat. So, we have negative 4x plus x. So, we have negative 3x. Next, yung constant term na 8 plus 5 we have plus 30. So here's now the answer. How about this one? Please try to find the difference of 5a squared plus 2a plus 1 and 3a squared plus 4a plus 2. Please comment your answer sa comment section. Thank you for listening. Goodbye mga kabilang!